Good morning to all my friends and my students. Today I am talking about Mimosa pudica under the family Mimosaceae, the electrical and mechanical stimulation of plant movements. This is basically is a peculiar movement in case of Mimosa pudica, and it's called thigmonastic movements in the sensitive plant, associated with fast responses to environmental stimuli, appear to be regulated through electrical and chemical signal transduction. The thigmonastic responses of Mimosa pudica can be considered in three stages. Number one, stimulus perception. Number two, electrical signal transmission. And number three, induction of mechanical, hydrodynamical, and biochemical and physiological responses. We investigated the mechanical movements of the pinnae and petioles, particularly in Mimosa pudica, induced by the electrical stimulation of a pulvinous petiole, secondary pulvinous or pinna, by a low electrical voltage and charge. The threshold values was 1.3 to 1.5 volt. Both voltages and electrical charge are responsible for the electrical stimulated closing of a leaf. The mechanical behind closing of leaf in Mimosa pudica is thoroughly discussed in my lecture. The hydroelectric curvature mechanism closely describe the kinetics of Mimosa pudica leaf movement. These type of movements are also found in the family, few insectivorous families like Nepenthes, like Nepenthes family, the pitcher plants, and in Drosera, the sundew plant, Utricularia, the bladderwort, and Dionia. These are the some examples of insectivorous plants for the catching insects and catching insects for their livelihood, because these types of plants basically grow under low nitrogen soil condition. That's why the adaptation and the adaptive evolutionary significance is the catching insects and these types of different types of insects for their nutrition and their nutritional mode, and these types of movements are also found. So is a plant kingdom is a peculiar, have some peculiarities in plant kingdom. We know that basically plants have no nervous system, but in Mimosa pudica, such a sensitive plants, and this plant is also called touch me not, because so sensitive like nervous system's response axon dendron. But later it is already been proved that it has some mechanical, it is a basically thigmonastic movement, and it is the actually a stimulus perception, electrical signal transmission, and induction of mechanical and hydrodynamical and biochemical and also physiological responses. This is overall the my discussion about only for my BSc undergraduate honor students and postgraduate students and my friends. Please watch my these types of observations and discussion. And I am Professor Amul Kumar Mandal from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. My specialization basically plant taxonomy, biosystematics, and molecular taxonomy, but my interest in different these types of phenomena and observations and their discussion and proper research. Thanking you.